welcome on behalf of HCL Foundation as well as SSN University. As you can see, we are all ready for national finals of the 6th edition of Sports for Change, which is an initiative, a special initiative by HCL Foundation. HCL Foundation is the CSR arm of HCL Tech, which is a technology company, and that has more than 14 billion dollars of revenue and more than 220,000 people working in 60 countries. HCL Foundation delivers the CSR agenda of HCL Tech in India. Within that, we run rural and urban community programs as well as environmental programs, wherein we also take care of flora and fauna. Today, the event that you see here is mainly focused on children under 18 years of age. It is a platform which provides to children coming from extremely underprivileged communities, from rural and urban backgrounds from all over India, an opportunity to play at an international level, at a national level, providing them best of the facilities. I just want to read out some data for you, such that you have the right data points with you. 35,000, including 84 para athletes, trained in various sports across 11 districts, over 120 plus students supported with full-time sports scholarships, which have also been awarded by HCL Foundation, are participating across, and they are part of the government schools regular sports program, which is run by HCL Foundation and the communities by HCLF under its flagship programs Uday Samuday, and also I would say HCL Tech Grant. A total of 15,000 children have participated this year, of which 800 budding sports champions who have been selected through state qualifiers, I would say rather district level qualifiers, followed by state level qualifiers, and then now nationals here. So we've done qualifier rounds in South and North, covering all states of South India and North India, including states like Jammu Kashmir, union territories like Jammu Kashmir and Leh, as well as states of Northeast. So today, if you look at the entire fleet of champions which are coming here, they would be representing all 12 states and 2 UTs, 40 plus districts, as I said. And also, if I look at the larger sports, it is a full sports format where Olympic sports will be are being played. We are also being supported by several NGO partners, all state government sports divisions, as well as Sports Authority of India. And we conduct the program in such a manner that all students go through the uh, genuine referee system of that particular state. So it is done at national and international level standards. Also, there are parameters which completely qualify them to be able to play any national sport within that category. So this is overall format. I really want to highlight that students in past, for example, Jerlin Anika went on to win the Arjun Award by Honorable President of India herself, and she plays in the category of Deaf Olympics. And we have several other students who have won national level, state level championships, including a lot of accolades in the para category. Because most of the students have never played with like proper formal shoes and formal attire. So you'll see all students, rather state-wise, we've given them colors also. You will see they're all playing here, and coaching facilities provided by us under HCL Foundation budget, plus nutrition support. In rural biggest problem that we face is the malnutrition. So most of the students or players are anemic already. So this program is not only about just professional sports, but it is also about their health and well-being. They come out of mental health issues. They do not get into crime and unnecessary criminal activities, for example. They stay away from drugs. They stay away from unhealthy habits. Plus, what we have seen is that most of the students, out of school students also, if they're out of school, but when we start playing with them or we start providing them sports opportunities, they come to school. So it is also our way of attracting children back from communities to school, especially the ones who drop out because of. So for us, sports is a part of our education program, and it's not just sports. Another benefit that happens is their overall personality development, their resilience building, the communication skills, their ability to travel, their ability to work with different states, speak different languages, make friends with different people, so they become like stars in their own community. So rural communities initially were quite I would say they were not very happy, or they would not easily be encouraged to come out. But now we have children all the way from Hardoi, Uttar Pradesh, we have from Srinagar, we have from northeast, we have from Shardol district of Madhya Pradesh, very interior, Guna district of Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand children are there. So now you will see that children from very remote, and it takes them at least to coming to Chennai must have taken them easily 3 to 5 days just getting here. So future looks good. We will continue to do this, and I think we are still in the learning phase where we need to learn with children with such difficult circumstances. Let's understand the stepping stone for these children is very different, because if you look at their family background, most of them come from violence hit families, most of them have a lot of difficulty. They have 3 4 siblings who their parents have to take care of. So we will keep on doing this year on year, and we will also expand our reach to cover more villages in future. But then the bigger steps that we really want to take is that prepare more children for national and international levels. So it's the focus on the talented pool that we are finding. But having said that, we don't want to take away our focus from the grassroots level fitness program. So the program will become little more strong. We will hire more professional staff. I think one difference that we've seen by hiring a very technically qualified. So we have people with sports management qualifications. We have national level rugby players in our team. So we are hiring people who know it. And we have sports managers in the team. So we will make our team more professional, and we will expand this program from a special initiative to possibly a larger flagship program in future. But I think that will take some more time.